All right, word problems. We're going to have a bunch of words, and then you're going to have to figure out your two equations. You're going to have to write your two equations, and then you're going to have to solve them. So this is going to be the most challenging thing you do with systems of equations. So the first thing that we want to do is to define our variables, and then we can write our equations. We can solve them. We know how to solve them multiple ways now. And then we can select the variable the question asks for. So I'm going to read this. So as with all word problems, you should probably read them completely before. So Ashley had a summer lemonade stand where she sold small cups of lemonade for $1.25 and large cups for $2.50. If Ashley sold a total of 155 cups of lemonade for $265, how many large cups of lemonade did she sell? All right, now I'm going to go through and label what we've got. We've got two different sizes of cups, so that's going to be our variables, because what do we want to know? We want to know how many cups she sold. So that's got to be a variable. That's what's going to be changing here. The dollar amounts are what's set. So we've got small cups. That's going to be my X. And we've got large cups. So that will be my Y. And we want to know the total large cups. So we want to know Y. So, I did it in the wrong color. Y. So we've got X is going to be our small cups. And Y is going to be large cups. Writing our equations, we know both the total of cups she sold and how much she made. So we know that the combination, how many ever small cups and large cups she sold a total of 155. And we know she sold the small ones for 125 and the large ones for 250. And how many ever combination of that many that she sold totaled 265. So 125 for small cups plus 250 for large cups equals 265. All right, let's solve this. And I'm going to just plug it into my calculator because that is easy. 1.25x plus 250y equals 265. All right, so it looks like we got 98 and 57. Remember, my solution is x and y. So we've got 998 small cups and 57 large cups. And what did we want to know? We wanted to know the large cups. Remember, we wanted y. So we sold 57 large cups. Let me look at one more example together. The Reyes family bought 5 hot dogs and 7 hamburgers for a total of $32. The James family bought 10 hot dogs and 6 hamburgers and spent $4 more than the Reyes family. How much is a hamburger? All right, so we're dealing with hamburgers and hot dogs, so that's going to be our X's and Y's. So I'm going to let X be hot dogs and Y be hamburgers. So we've got X equals hot dogs, Y equaling hamburgers. X is hot dogs, Y is hamburgers, and we want to know how much is one hamburger. So our answer, we want to know the Y again. All right, writing our equations. We've got one family that bought 5 hot dogs for some amount of money and 7 hamburgers for some amount of money, and they totaled $32. So we've got, they bought 5 hot dogs, 5x, plus 7y, and they spent a total of $32. The second family bought 10x and 6y, and they spent $4 more. $32 plus 4 is 36. All right. Menu 3, 2, enter. We got 5x plus 7y equals 32. 10x plus 6y equals 36. And we've got decimal numbers, which makes sense. We're talking money here. So we've got 150 and 350. Remember, this is my x and y. So for one hot dog, it costs $1.50. And for one hamburger, it costs $3.50. So we wanted to know how much is one hamburger. One hamburger is $3.50. Make sure that you're relating all of this to your actual word problem. If you give me the answer is 3.5, that's not really accurate. The most tricky part is writing the equations, so you'll probably need extra assistance in setting those up initially.